Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm making leafy vegetables with chicken sausage stew, which I'll be eating with yam. You can choose to eat it with rice, banku, kinki, or any other meal that you have. I start by placing my saucepan with yam on fire, then I add some salt and water to it. I'll cover it, then I'll go ahead to make the stew. I have my saucepan on fire with vegetable oil, and to that I'll be adding my chopped chicken sausages. I'll let it fry for 3 minutes, and I'll take it off before I add other ingredients. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like and comment on this video. I hope you enjoy your stay here, and I'll be glad to always see your comments. My sausages are frying beautifully well. I'll take it off and set it aside. Then I'll now go ahead to add my tomatoes, spring onion, my onion, garlic, green bell pepper, and some bay leaf. While this is frying, I'll open my yam to see how it has cooked. My yam is cooked well, so I'll switch off the flame and keep the yam in a flask that will keep it warm for some time. I then go ahead to add 1 egg to the stew, and I'll let the egg cook for 1 minute before I stir. After 1 minute, I now stir everything together. I'll go ahead to add my tomato paste. Then I'll also be adding some fish powder, seasoning cube, salt, chili pepper, black pepper, and some mixed spices. After adding everything, I'll go ahead to add a little bit of water to the stew, and I'll add my leafy vegetables and make sure that everything is mixed properly. Then I'll go ahead to add my fried sausages to it. Afterwards, I'll cover it to cook for 10 minutes before I open it again. After 10 minutes, everything is cooked properly. I'll then give it a good stir. Then my stew is now ready to be enjoyed with any meal. But in my case, I'm enjoying it with yam. I'm grateful for your time watching this video. I hope you subscribe, like, and share it to your friends. I hope to see you next time on this channel. Have a wonderful time. Bye.